LG TV Magic Remote, how to turn pointer or mouse cursor off. In this video, I'll show you how you can turn off your mouse cursor on your LG Smart TV. So first, go ahead and locate the scroll wheel in the center of the remote control. It's surrounded by arrows on its four sides. And then press on any of the arrows, right, left, up, or down. And the pointer on your TV screen will disappear once you click the arrow. Now you can operate the TV by navigating the active selection box among the options, and selectable items will be highlighted. Take note that this method may differ depending on the remote control model, so if you can't disable the pointer by pressing the arrow, you can try holding down the menu button for a few seconds. Now to reactivate the pointer, go ahead and find the scroll wheel in the center of your remote control. Spin the wheel backward and forward as if you're using a computer mouse, and this will bring back the pointer to your TV screen. Other remote control models may allow you to reactivate the pointer by just shaking the device, and that is how you can basically turn your pointer or mouse cursor off.